The Hierophant sits between two grey pillars, wearing triple-tiered crown and vestments marked with crossed keys. Two acolytes kneel before him as he raises his right hand in a gesture of blessing. Where the High Priestess guards inner mystery, the Hierophant transmits outer tradition. He is ritual, lineage, doctrine, and the bridge between the human world and established spiritual order. The Hierophant himself is the central symbol. His posture is authoritative yet devotional. He sits not as a king but as a teacher. His three-tiered crown represents mastery over body, mind, and spirit. His expression is solemn, devoted to preserving wisdom transmitted across generations. He embodies the stabilizing power of shared belief, truth preserved, codified, and passed on. The crossed keys at his feet form the first supporting symbol. One is gold and the other is silver. Together, they signify access to both spiritual and worldly understanding, conscious and unconscious knowledge, outer teaching, and inner truth. These keys also represent permission, the idea that certain forms of wisdom require guidance, preparation, or initiation. The second symbol is the hand gesture of the blessing, two fingers raised upward and two downward. This echoes as above, so below. But unlike the magician's gesture, this one sanctifies, offering alignment with sacred order rather than personal will. The blessing hand shows his role as mediator. He connects the divine to the community through ritual and teaching. The third supporting symbol is the throne between the two pillars. Unlike the High Priestess's pillars, which veil hidden knowledge, these pillars represent structure, orthodoxy, and continuity. They frame the Hierophant's role as guardian of tradition, the custodian of the known path. He offers safety through shared meaning and known rituals. The fourth symbol is his robes adorned with crosses. They signify doctrine, morality, and ethical frameworks. His clothing expresses commitment to communal spirituality, values larger than the individual. Through these symbols, the Hierophant teaches that spiritual growth can be supported, not restricted, by form, discipline, and shared practice. The fifth symbol is the presence of the two acolytes kneeling before him. They represent the seeker, the student, and the community shaped by the Hierophant's teachings. Their differing garments indicate diverse paths within a shared tradition. Their presence shows that wisdom becomes real when transmitted, embodied, and lived. Together, these symbols present the Hierophant as the anchor of collective meaning, teacher, mentor, priest, and guide. He preserves what is time-tested and offers a doorway into spiritual lineage. In readings, the Hierophant may represent institutions, mentors, tradition, community, or structured learning. He invites the querent to seek guidance, honor shared wisdom, or engage in disciplined practice. His caution: do not confuse tradition with truth or conformity with integrity. The Hierophant teaches that wisdom is not only discovered, it is inherited, practiced, and shared.